holding things. Oh my god. What are you doing?
Delicious. Cupboards.
It's 10:42 at night and I'm hungry. Dude, this chick's half naked over here. This dude's half naked, yeah. You're so pretty.
My best friend. You're my best friend. You're my best friend. What are you making?
Popping corn. Microwave. 1 minute, 30 seconds.
Wait.
Last time I did that, I almost burnt it.
We burnt it down, yeah.
So we're going like 1 minute, 18 seconds.
Oh, you bad.
Ooh. Oh, I don't know, your hand is back there.
You didn't sit on my hand.
Your hand touched my ass. I didn't know what's going on back there. Can we go to the gym tomorrow?
Yes, we can. Can you hold it?
Can I hold it?
Day in the life.
Little bags.
Money shot. Oh.
Perfect. Not burnt. But they're mini bags.
Skinny girl.
They're mini bags. Mini skinny girl. We ain't a skinny girl. We're using 2 bags, so we're just average girl.
Just average girl.
No body shaming around here.
What was your favorite part about today?
It's just, I don't know, just everything. It was such a good day.
It was a great day.
I liked the part when you just started
Crying?
coughing all over the place.
Oh my god.
That was funny.
I had a coughing attack. That lady probably thought I had COVID.
Probably.
Social events, in addition to helping out with weddings. I used to be primarily weddings, but this past like 6 months, we do so many events. Oh wow! Yeah. Would you like some more water? Yes, of course.
It's the mask.
Oh, I'm sure.
Take the mask
so
off.
dry. Look it down for a little bit.
This is in the video too, friend. This is staying.
Oh my god.
Signed, sealed, delivered. Yay.
That's all, man.
Are you crying because this is happening?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
Antibodies.
We got the
That
antibodies.
internal protection.
I can't believe I had a coughing fit twice.
We're looking at this nice ass, elegant venue. Francis over here.
The wedding planner had to bring me water twice.
But he's like, do you want some water? And
Like, yes, please.
Francis like, yeah, please.
Crazy.
Of course.
Round 2. Let's get a different angle.
That's steam. Steaming.
Ooh. Okay. This might be a little taboo.
What?
You have to try this. It's sazon and hot sauce in the popcorn.
No, I'm not doing it. I want to have normal popcorn.
You have to try it on camera. We're gonna do a little tiny bit.
I want popcorn, not Puertoricorn. That is actually funny. Puertoricorn. Get Puerto Rican, Puertoricorn. It's fucking gold.
So now you have to try it.
It's gold. I'm Puerto Rican now.
I'm the captain now.
You are Puerto Rican, and I'm a part of you.
Yo soy. How do you say Puerto Rican in Spanish? Like a male. Puerincano.
Yo soy Puerincano.
Okay, give me a little bowl. Here we have, this is called Puerto Rican popcorn.
Puertoricorn.
So, you take your popcorn.
I like Puertoricorn better, but Puerto Rican popcorn. Here you go.
First, gonna shove some in here.
Let me get the thing now.
You have your popcorn in the bowl.
It sure is.
The one and only Sazon Goya. Sponsor me, Goya. I'm your #1 fan.
Pariqua.
You sprinkle it over your unseasoned popcorn. Turn it orange. Go. Wait, Matthew. You're missing the special ingredient. Hot sauce.
Thanks, huh? Is that Puerto Rican approved?
It is definitely Puerto Rican approved.
Hold on. Do you hear that? Hold on,
Yeah,
listen.
I cracked.
There's like acid over here. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Look at that. Look at the nails. Yeah, girl. Look at the regrowth on those bad boys.
They grow quick. They grow
wow. Okay, go ahead.
Phenomenal. Phenomenal.
Delicious.
No. You don't like it.
Oh, it's like it's the vinegar from the hot sauce. So it reminds me of like dipping the eggs at Easter. You know, you color the eggs. That's what it smells like, the vinegar. And then I feel like I'm about to eat some chicken wings, but I get popcorn. It's a no for me, dog.
Oh, thumbs down.
Did you just make that up now?
No, actually, Angelica made it up.
Oh,
She's not even Puerto Rican. She's not even Puerto Rican.
No, she's not Puerto Rican. She's like Ecuadorian or something like that.
Love you, Angelica. Angelica. Now that plain unseasoned, not even no butter popcorn.
How about
Pepper? Matthew.
Oh yeah. Just call me.
You're making it peppery.
Call me Gordon Ramsay.
Wow, you're really just failing on camera.
Smooth.
Love. If you try the Puerto Rican popcorn, write it in the comments.
Puertoricorn.
Somebody's excited.
I was in a TV show and a teaser trailer just released. On-air TV show. Take a look at it.
I knew I recognized that name.
Oh, from my family and me? It's probably like, what, your favorite show ever?
The complaint box.
There I am.
Your
That's
name's
me.
Amy.
Stay tuned.
Get our coffee. I want my shaken espresso with oat milk.
Shake it up. I'm a star boy. Star bee, Starbucks. The bees in the buck. Bees in the trap. Whoa, that bee just fell. Where'd you go?
Wait, don't throw the window up. The bees are gonna come in the car.
Bees in the car.
Hi.
Hey, I'm liking the bees over here. Look at, there's a yellow jacket in here. He thinks he's a real bumblebee, but he's not. That bush got a lot of bees in there, but I saw a yellow jacket. It's not a bee. The bees like to get the pollen and they can pollinate all the flowers. Some of that yellow jacket. The yellow jackets don't do anything except sting you and make you hurt. That's all they do. They're good for nothing, really.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. A little bee fact of the day. You take that home with you and then store it in your little mental blog. You know?